I'm not really looking forward to this one. This might be bad. Alright guys, so today's challenge here is 2 liters of club soda. This is a subscriber requested video. Shout out to Supreme. He wanted me to chug 2 liters of club soda. If you do not know what club soda is, it's basically just carbonated salt water. At least that's what I call it. I've never chugged club soda on this channel before, but I'm pretty sure I chugged stuff like similar, like sparkling water. Stuff like that is pretty similar to this, but I'm not 100% sure if it's like all the exact same. One thing I do know about these drinks, this club soda here, is that these drinks are highly carbonated. So carbonated that they literally had to add a warning sign at the back of this bottle here. It literally says, contents under pressure, cap may blow off, cause an eye or other serious injury. Point away from face and people, especially while opening. I don't think any other soda says that in the back of the bottle. Basically what I'm saying is that this might be bad. This could go wrong. Make sure you guys go down below, smash the like button. You guys already know what it is. Spam the like button, comment down below, spam comments, whatever. And yeah, let's chug this club soda here. This, I'm not looking forward to this. Smash the like button. I'm gonna open this up. Hopefully it doesn't blow up in my face, but I just hope that doesn't happen. I don't know if you guys saw that, but like how fast the bubbles, like it started to bubble at the top and nearly exploded. Second one, let's go. Okay, that could have went worse. That could have went a lot worse, but you still have the club soda in the bottle. 2 liters of club soda. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Ready and go.
Coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win, yeah, LA BB who we running with, yeah, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again, yeah, state your name, big dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just the pain, stripping it away, slap on everything, swimming away, cause I got big things coming, I put my logo on it.
That is so bitter. Alright, second one, let's go. Man.
Coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win, yeah, LA BB who we running with, yeah, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again, pump up the action.
Holy. Alright, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was. It just tastes like carbonated water with bitterness in it. There it was. That was 2 liters of club soda. We got it down. Subscriber requested video completed. Comment down below if you guys want to see a tonic water chug, a 2 liter tonic water chug, because I know for a fact that tonic water is a lot stronger than this, and it's probably, most likely, a lot bitter. They literally use that for like drinks, like actual drinks, so like alcohol and stuff like that. So comment down below if you guys want to see that tonic water chug. Today's shout out goes to Lamar. Shout out to you, Lamar. Thank you guys so much for being so active. If you guys do want to shout out, make sure you guys have post notifications on so you'll be notified when the video comes out. And so you guys will be the first ones to comment on the video, get your comment pin, and also get a shout out in the next video. Make sure you have post notifications turned on. Hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. Road to 2,000 subscribers. We are so close to it. We're literally close to it. We're literally about to hit 1.8K. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. That is going to wrap it up for this video. I'm going to end off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you enjoyed. Also share. Subscribe if you're new. Stay lit. And always stay lit. See you guys on the next one. And we're out.